Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you are new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Remember, cryptocurrencies are open 24/7. So my goal here and why I like the 4-hour is to keep this video as relevant for as long as possible. So I'm going to be talking about more so kind of just broad levels and questions that you can ask yourself to kind of keep this chart relevant for, let's just say you're watching this, video Sunday afternoon, and then that way with these questions, it'll still keep the chart. So while it may look a little different to you compared to what it looks like right now, you'll know kind of just the current status of things. And the first area to keep in mind and ask yourself about is all about 6,600 right up here, which is this red line. And you can see once again throughout the past 24 hours, the price has been right up around that area. In fact, during the past 4 hours, the price looks like it's bounced pretty much directly off it. So question number one is, where does the price stand relative to 6,600? If you're watching this Sunday afternoon and the price is up above 6,600, well then at that point in time, as far as chart lingo would be concerned, Bitcoin is in a channel pattern breakout, because right now the overall pattern that we've been tracking the past couple of days is right here, just essentially going sideways. So yeah, if the price is, like I said, up above it on Sunday afternoon, that would imply that some sort of breakout has happened. So that would be a bullish scenario. The next level to keep an eye on, and I highly doubt it would, but I guess you never know. I mean, it's a crypto, it's Bitcoin, so you never know. But the next overall area of resistance to watch would be that pink line up there, the 200 period, something moving average. But I'd be pretty shocked if the price even got anywhere close to that. But then again, you never know. This is Bitcoin. But that would be the next question. Now, on the flip side of things, ask yourself, well, where does the price stand relative to 6,200? That being this green line right here. And once again, over the past 24 hours, the price has done a good job of staying up above it. If the price is up above there, then that's good. That just means that the price is still just starting to essentially go sideways. Now, if the price is actually down below 6,200, the next immediate question you need to ask yourself is, all right, well, where's the price relative to 58.50, which is that support down there? In some sort of event, the price is actually down below 58.50, well, that would be a sign that the current status of things is very bearish, and that essentially the bears are picking right back up where they, kind of left off from several days ago. So like I said, a lot can change given that the chart will continue to form over the weekend. But if you ask yourself these key questions about these levels, you'll keep yourself informed in terms of the current status of the story as far as the chart is concerned. So let's see how the weekend plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.